Hey guys, kumusta?
Kumusta?
Hello, nasa US ako ngayon. And pinagawa namin yung car. So 9 AM muna, maghahanap muna kami ng breakfast.
We're getting a new stereo.
So 4 hours yung aabutin ng paggawa ng car. Super lamig today. I think it's 6 Celsius lang. Ganito yung itsura dito guys. Medyo gloomy today. And yeah, ganito yung vibe dito sa Washington State. Dito kami sa may Lacey. Ganito yung itsura niya.
So this is our homemade cornbread. What do you think of the cornbread? Yeah. Right. Oh, goody goody. Gotta get a little bit of everything in that first bite. Good. Yeah, very good.
Dito kami nag-lunch. Ay, lunch. Breakfast pala.
Brunch.
Brunch, yes. Yung problem dito guys, ang daming serving ng mga food nila dito. Kaya feel ko kaya matataba yung mga tao dito. It's not cheap. That's like $56.
Yes.
Yeah. So we will go to the mall guys to kill time.
And malls here are not like in the Philippines.
Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga mall. I mean yung mall dito guys. Boring siya unlike sa Philippines. I think it's because of Amazon. Everything is available at Amazon.
Yeah.
Ito yung mall guys.
So busy.
It's so busy naman. To Target because we still have an hour and a half.
I thought we were gonna go mattress shopping.
Yeah.
Oh, not at Target.
No. What is that?
Macy's furniture store.
This is furniture. Oh, so not, we're not going here.
I like this. It's very comfortable. Go watch TV in bed.
So napadaan lang kami dito guys. Mukhang bibili kami ng bed. Maganda siya kasi na-adjust mo yung top and yung
Yeah.
baba. You like it?
Yeah.
Are we gonna buy it?
Yeah.
Okay. Sa wakas natapos din after 4 hours. Meron na siyang screen. So before wala siyang ganyan kasi old model na yung car. So ngayon meron na rin siyang backup camera. So yun lang ang aking vlog for today and bye!